Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. In this video, we will look at how to use conditional formatting to visualize data in a unique way that aids the structuring and analyzing processes. Conditional formatting can help with pattern and issue detection. By using conditional formatting, we can quickly identify the data that falls within certain conditions. We can, for example, highlight all the cells within the median income per day that exceed 35. To do this, we select Median Income Per Day row, go to the Home tab, and use the Conditional Formatting button. Hover over the Highlight Cell Rules option from the drop-down and select the Greater Than option. Now, we can input our desired number and select how we would like the cells to be displayed. We will use the green highlight, but if we want to change the number from 35 to 37, we would follow the same steps, but be sure to first clear rules from the selected cells so that any cells highlighted from the previous conditions will be reset and will not interfere with the new rule. With conditional formatting, we can also use the top over bottom rules to highlight the median income per day within the top 25% in green. This follows the same process as the previous highlighting conditions steps. At the same time, we can have another condition which highlights the above average median income per day in red by following the same steps and using the above average option. Notice that some of the previously green cells become red because they share similar conditions. We can review and manage these existing conditions through the Manage Rules button in the Conditional Formatting dropdown. If we would like the condition of the green highlight to take priority over the red highlight, we would select the condition and use the arrow buttons to position the desired condition above the other. Once in the correct position, we use the Apply and then the OK button. We can also delete these conditions from this manager by using the Delete Rule button followed by Apply and OK. For more presentations, check out our website. You can also download the Excel sheet from our website to practice the functions yourself.